Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Pineapple Vegan, and you know what? My kid's about to go back to school. Yes, thank you. I'm very excited, but I don't want them buying lunch at school because, as you know, they can't eat that stuff anyways. And I want them to have warm food, and they all have access to microwaves. Thank goodness. They didn't have them when I was in school where we could use them, but I'm happy that they do. I really don't like microwaves that much, but you gotta do what you gotta do. They're not eating cold food. So today we're making pizza.
I love pizza.
You know, kids love pizza, and I'm actually gonna use the Kroger Crispy Thin Pizza Crust. Now this is vegan. When I do this, that means it does have honey in it, and we still consume honey. A lot of vegans don't, so if you are a vegan that does not consume honey, these are not for you. I can actually link some that are vegan pizza crust below, and also if you want to, you can actually make your own dough or like a cauliflower pizza crust. The point of this video is for it to be quick lunches, you know? I'm gonna use regular Classico pizza sauce. This is the traditional sweet basil. Make sure that it is vegan. This one is indeed vegan, but a lot of pizza sauces are not. They actually have milk in them. Why? 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 Why they gotta use milk though? Why they gotta use milk though?
Spaghetti sauce.
Why they have to use milk? I don't understand. Anyways, make sure that is vegan sauce. And the cheeses we're gonna use are Daiya, Mozzarella, and Cheddar. These are so good. They melt really well and they have a great flavor. And also, we have our seasoning. So you're probably like, you already have the sauce, why do you need seasoning? Because I have to be extra, okay? You already know I'm extra. Y'all know I like flavor. My kids do too. We're gonna be using Nutritional Yeast. This has like a nutty / cheesy taste to it. And it has a lot of vitamins in it that I cannot pronounce, but you get the gist, okay? And then we're gonna be using Italian seasoning. You can just use regular oregano if you want. And also we're gonna be using the Gourmet Collection roasted garlic and red bell pepper. So first we are going to put our pizza crust on the pan that we are going to be cooking on. Okay, I can only fit 2 in this pan because it's little. What we're gonna do is use our little brush. Now this is my olive oil brush. I only use this to spread olive oil on things. But you're just gonna drizzle a little bit of olive oil, and then you're just gonna use your brush and coat the crust. You're gonna spread the oil all over the crust. We don't want no dry pizza. Ew! And then I like to put my nutritional yeast on first. I don't know why, I just do. In my mind it tastes good, okay? Then we're gonna get our, and just put a hefty serving on there because we like extra sauce on our pizza. Don't nobody want no super dry pizza. I already said that before. Okay. Your business, like always. Y'all up in here. You all up in here, I need you to go over there, okay? You can actually add peppers, onions, spinach, whatever you like, whatever you like. I love pineapple on my pizza. And people who don't agree with that, I normally would make them like hamburger pizza, and I use the Gardein crumbles that I love so much. Sometimes if I don't want to use Gardein, I'll like use mushrooms and season it, cook it and season it well. My kids be thinking that it's gonna crumble, but it's not. And now we're gonna put on our oregano, or our Italian seasoning. I'm just gonna sprinkle that over the top, like that. Just like that. And now it's time for our cheese. They like the combination of both cheeses, and I must agree it is really good. Put as little or as much as you want. Obviously it's gonna be super cheesy because don't no kid want bland cheese pizza that's dry. So now these are gonna go into the oven and they are going to bake in the oven on 350. I already preheated my oven. They're gonna bake on 350 for 10 to 15 minutes. I prefer to bake mine for 15 minutes because we like that crispier outer edge. If you like a chewier type texture and you don't want it super crispy, especially since these are thin, then you can do the 10 to 12 minutes, but I prefer 15 minutes. So let me go ahead and put it in there. I'll be back.
And now, let's enjoy an intermission.
Yeah, so I just wanted to try it. So I'm gonna put some ranch over it because I love ranch on my pizza. That's where my kids got it from. I was trying to throw them under the bus, but it was me. And this is just ranch, y'all. This ranch is so good. Let me tell you, it is super good, okay? Let's go ahead and try this pizza out. It's good. It's so good, it hurts. It's so simple. So there you have it. Quick, easy lunch for kids. They will love it. Make it for your kids. They will love it, I promise. Now, as always, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, Honey Boo Boo Child. But I really hope you guys liked this video. I really enjoyed filming it for you guys. And stay tuned for more, because I'm gonna continue to post my kids' lunches that I make for them. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and until the next time, I love y'all. Bye, bestie.